Interpreting the evaluation reports. This video will help you gain a better understanding of the reports and how to interpret them. I will be using sample reports for confidential purposes. The first report we will be reviewing is the report that is to the left-hand side of the report options. This report is an analysis of the program's effectiveness that measures the participants' knowledge gained after participating in the Abriendo Puertas Open Doors program. By comparing participants' answers to the questions before and after, we can gain a better understanding how much they learned. This report downloads as a Word document with the purpose for you to edit it to add the names of the facilitators who implemented the program and also to add your organization's description, the community you serve, or other details you see fit. This report organizes the data to tell us about the participants, how the evaluation was done, and also the program results for each of the 10 sessions, or also known as dimensions, that can be seen in bold. The report provides data based on whether all 4 questions were answered correctly, to measure whether there were significant gains or none for each session. For confidence in your findings, results have to have enough difference in results. That is why there are 4 survey questions provided for each session, or also known as dimension, and a requirement of all questions is to be answered correctly to show significant difference. The report only considers perfect scores in the results. It does not provide an interpretation of the data for each individual question, but this data is provided through the form of the CSV file, which I will go over in the latter portion of the video. Let's look at an example. We can see on this report that for the parenting session, before participating in the Abriendo Puertas Open Doors program, 40% of the parents correctly answered all the questions in this dimension, and the dimension is referring to the session. And after the program, 80% of the parents did, so we can see there was an increase in knowledge. This report also helps us to see where we can improve for next time. For example, we can see that within the mathematical development session or dimension, participants didn't gain any knowledge. So this will prompt us to reflect on what we can do next time to increase the knowledge of parents and caregivers for this session or also for this dimension. Now I will help you interpret the CSV file report. This report provides an interpretation of the data for each individual question. From left to right, we can see the organization, the site, city, state, program start date, facilitator name, and date of birth. Then we see the pre-survey questions, and feel free to expand the columns to see the survey question number. If you keep scrolling to the right side, you will see the post-survey questions. Now let's look at the answers for each question. The number 1 or value 1 means that the parent or caregiver got the answer correct. The number 0 or value 0 means that the parent or caregiver answered the question incorrectly. For example, if we take a look at the top row, this parent got 3 questions correct and 1 question wrong out of the 4 survey questions. To match questions with their respective sessions, we suggest having both the actual survey and CSV file visible simultaneously on the screen. For example, we observe that pre-survey question number 1 belongs to the parenting session, allowing us to view the specific question associated with it. This can be helpful if you want to know specifically which questions were incorrect. Thank you for reviewing how to interpret the evaluation reports. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Abriendo Puertas Opening Doors at online portal at ap-od.org. Thank you.